Today we are going to learn how to create a video using a smartphone and upload that video to YouTube, and then finally create a QR code that will link up to the video that we create when you use a smartphone with an app that can scan the QR code and automatically play the movie that you have created. So before we even begin to think about creating our video, one of the first things you need to do is have a YouTube account. And the easiest way to do this is to sign up for a Google account. Because if you have a Google account, then you are automatically signed up for a YouTube account. So if you don't already have a Google account, that's something that you need to create an account for. If you do have an account, it's actually very easy once you sign in to access YouTube. If you have a Google account, you can sign in, and I usually, out of habit, just go straight to my Gmail. And you might notice that in the upper right-hand corner, there's maybe your face if you've added a picture, or some information about you, your name. But there's this group of 9 little squares. And if you click on that, there's a whole bunch of different apps. There's even more than just the 9. But automatically logged in, since Google's taking over the world, is YouTube. And once you've created a Google account, if you click on YouTube, bam, you also have a YouTube account. And now you are ready to upload any videos that you create to your very own YouTube channel. And here's a whole bunch of my videos that I've created on my YouTube video channel. So as much as I'd love to think that I can carry around a video camera or a flip cam or some really awesome recording devices wherever I go, the honest truth is that most of the time I just have my smartphone with me, and I might want to capture a quick video of students working, of their artwork, of something fabulous going on in my classroom. And really the easiest way to do that is with my smartphone. So to make my life easier and to think ahead before I upload any videos, I've discovered that it's a lot easier if I have the YouTube app on my phone. YouTube also offers a really cool capture app that actually makes videos for you, but for uploading purposes, I've just downloaded the simple YouTube app. So if you don't have it, go to the App Store that's on your phone and type in YouTube, and you can go ahead and download the YouTube app to your phone. It's free and it's very easy to use. So if you don't already have it on your phone, you're going to make your life a lot easier once we start uploading our videos to the internet. If you could go ahead and download it to your phone now. Once you've downloaded the YouTube app to your phone, you are ready to go ahead and make some awesome movies using your smartphone. Now it's time to take a video, and usually when I'm in my classroom, something fabulous is going on and I don't have time to get a video camera or a flip cam. All I have is my phone on me, so I can use my phone to take a quick video of whatever fabulousness is happening. And most smartphones have some kind of camera app already preloaded into them. So you go ahead and go into the camera app on your smartphone, and when you do that, it usually has a setting down at the bottom where you could scroll over or change it from photos to videos. And you are ready to go. You have your video camera. When you're ready to record something fabulous happening, you start recording. You can record a fabulous work of art. You can record something that the students are masking. Anything you want, you stop, and you have a fabulous video ready to go on your phone. It's that easy. After you've completed your video, I usually close out my camera app. And hopefully you've already loaded in the regular YouTube app on your phone. So you gotta search around, find your regular YouTube app, not the YouTube capture. And I tend to upload my videos directly through the YouTube app. A lot of phones will give you the option to upload directly from your camera or video function, but I find that on my own personal phone, logging into my Google and YouTube is usually very difficult because there's a lot of security with Google. So I find it a lot easier to open up the YouTube app. When you open it up, you're not always sure what screen you're going to go on. So you have to make sure you sign in at some point. I'm already pre-signed in. I leave myself signed in. So I'll go into my own page on YouTube, and you'll have to play around with the app a little to find this. But eventually when you're on your page, there's a lot of options. There's things to watch, Oh no, I just went away from my page. What do? Go in the upper left-hand corner, there's 3 lines, and boom, I'm back. I have my subscriptions. I have a lot of different options, but for today to upload a video, I want to go to my channel. And on my channel, there is an upload button. You can either hit that or directly on the same screen, they have the same upward facing arrow to upload. So you could do either one that you want. And when you hit that, oh my goodness, it takes me right into my stored videos that are on my phone already. It's really easy, it syncs up automatically. And you just tap the video that you want to upload. Is that it? It's playing? Yep, I recognize it. Let's do it. And I hit my check mark. And YouTube will automatically start to bring you to the screen where you can enter a title for your video. And you can set the privacy level to private, public, unlisted. You can go down, you can give it a description, give it any tags that you want. When you're ready, you just hit the up arrow again, and it will begin uploading. Now the only challenge that I find on this particular screen is that if I shut my phone off, it might delay the uploading. And right now I have my phone automatically set to go into sleep mode after 2 minutes. So if you're uploading a really big video, you might want to change in your settings how long it takes for your phone to go into sleep mode until you're done uploading the video. If not, just keep an eye on it and make sure it's uploading okay. Wow, I'm uploading really fast today. And as you're done uploading, it'll finish it and it will be appearing on YouTube. Switch gears, I just put down my cell phone and I'm going to use YouTube on my computer because it's a lot easier for me to work with, slightly larger now. So I've just signed into my Google account and I went to YouTube and I see everybody else's videos, but I don't see my own. Did it upload correct? Well, there's another little lined spot over on the left of YouTube and you can go to your personal channel. And when you click on that, oh my gosh, there's still a lot of different things, including your video below. Or if that confuses you, sometimes I just go to my video manager. And you'll see a whole bunch of videos, including the masking video I just made on my phone. So what I want to do next is I want to go to edit. And I just want to make sure everything's exactly the way I want it to be. I created a title. I made this video public, so any parents, students who want to view this at the art show can do so. But sometimes you might want to make it unlisted or even private, just for certain people that you invite via email. You decide what's appropriate. The other thing that you're going to notice that's very important for us is your video URL. I'm going to copy that video URL and now I'm going to use it to make a really cool little black and white square called a QR code. Step in this process is to create a QR code. And there's tons of free QR code generators out there on the internet. So I basically just opened another tab, and one of my favorites that I've used before and I'm comfortable with is a free QR code creator called Kawya, Kaya. And I've used this before and I'm comfortable with it. The other thing that's easy about it is it's linked up with Google. So I didn't even have to create an account. I just signed into my Google account and here I am. I really think Google's taking over the world. It's also trying to get me to pay, which I'm not going to do. I don't need a dynamic QR code right now. I just want a static one. And if you need some more information about that, boom, they got it on your web page there. And then it says enter your URL. We just copied the URL for our video that we made on YouTube. So I'm going to paste that here. Okay, YouTube, random numbers and letters, sounds good. Let's see what happens when I click generate. It's going and boom, it has just created this QR code. So there's a ton of different things that we can do with this. You can download it, you can save it, but I am really old school and I just like to create signs very quickly. The bell's about to ring. I don't have that much time, so all I'm gonna do is copy this image. Boom, I've just copied it. Let's see what happens next. We've copied this image of the QR code from our QR code generator, and now I want to finish typing up my sign for the art show. I'm just using Microsoft Word because it's very comfortable for me and I'm used to it. And if I type in the long link to YouTube where my video is, I'm afraid that nobody who goes to the art show will take the time to bring home a flyer and type it in their computer or type it into their smartphone because it's too hard to see. So that QR code that we just copied, I want to see what happens when I paste it into Microsoft Word. Boom! It has just gone in. It's reading the same as an image, and if you want to play around with it, you can wrap the text, you can position it, and you can make it a part of your art show sign in any way that you want. And now all parents have to do is scan with a QR code reader app, and it will automatically play the video of their fabulous children and their wonderful art on their smartphones right at the art show. Completed sign for my 6th grade 1-point perspective project. I have downloaded a QR code reader on my phone. Most parents have them on their phone too. I open it up and it kind of automatically searches for the QR code, and as soon as it finds it, it pops up automatically on the phone right in YouTube. It wants to play. I hit play, and there's my child's fabulous art video playing directly on my smartphone right there. Much cooler than I ever thought possible. You're the rock star art teacher. Your principal thinks you're amazing. Before you know it, you're teaching tech classes, and really, honestly, it wasn't that hard. Good luck, and thanks for watching.